Yeah? Why should I fucking believe you, huh?
I made a promise. I swore. The child would be safe.
В 6 утра фотография твоя, горят
The
воспоминания
final round has begun.
тебе.
You now have 10 minutes.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
We are not horses. We are humans.